This morning I left the house for a drive and ended up, by accident, at Hall's on the River. It's a popular restaurant sitting on Howard's Creek at the edge of the Kentucky River. There's a lot of history that goes along with this restaurant. I'd forgotten about the recent heavy rains and so was surprised at the level of flooding. And while I was here, I think the flood level was about 38 feet, what the National Weather Service considers a moderate flood. It was sad to see the restaurant underwater. Hall's, though, has a long history. It began as a boatyard and a tavern by Captain John Holder in 1781, just 6 years after Daniel Boone built Fort Boonesborough. Captain Holder was also in the party that helped Daniel Boone rescue his daughter, Jemima. She had been kidnapped by the local Cherokee Shawnee during a canoe trip 5 years earlier in 1776. This kidnapping occurred less than a mile from the present-day site of the restaurant. It also inspired a part of the book, or novel, The Last of the Mohicans, where Cora and Alice were taken as captives.